Rightio. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, 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 welcome. Right. Welcome, 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 guys. Okay, I hope you can hear me. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Right. What I'm going to do is basically just go through, some of the trades we've been taking, or we've taken this week. We've taken a number of good trades. Even as you can see there in the title, it shows that we have picked up over 300 pips this week. And it was all posted in the Telegram channel, guys. It was posted in Telegram channels. So, I mean, that obviously, I suppose, is a good reason to join our Telegram channel. If you haven't joined, I don't know why or what you're waiting for. So what I'm going to do is I'll just quickly go through some charts, and we would see what is there. So bear with me. I'll play some music in the background meanwhile. Bear with me. I trust you can hear the music in the background just for a minute. So even as you can see there, as you can see there, that's a trade we're currently in. You can see it's almost hitting our projected take profit. An awesome trade, awesome trade. So we got in here, and it's currently over 139 pips. Our final target is 150. But guess what, guys? Because it's Friday, I would say to begin to close out your trade. I wouldn't be leaving this over the weekend. So, it's up to you, but that's basically my advice, that you close out the trade maybe now or, by the end of the day. But definitely, I know, those who trade with me know better than to move their stop loss. I'm sure you have moved your stop loss way lower than where it was before. And I'll be posting, some of the results in the Telegram group later on, because, some of our members, took the trades, and, obviously some good profits there. So what I want you to do is basically secure that position, secure that position if you haven't already done so. I mean, I'll be showing some other charts, sharing some other charts with you shortly, and it is been a beautiful week, and I believe it's going to be just as good next week. Even on this live stream, I am basically sharing with those of you who perhaps have stumbled onto this channel, to join the Telegram group. As a matter of fact, let me post the Telegram group, the link to the Telegram group. Let me post it here. Let me post the link to the Telegram group. Bear with me, guys, bear with me. Okay, so I've also just posted a link there. I've also just posted a link in the Telegram group. I suppose I'll post it here. Well, I think I'll leave it in the Telegram group for now. Maybe I'll decide whether to post it. Post it on the YouTube stream. I'll be talking a bit about that as well. I'll be talking a bit about that shortly, guys. Because we do have a system at the moment which basically, enables you generate. Just 1 minute, guys. I've got some things going on here. Let me just quickly clarify or sort them out. Okay, so I basically have got another. I've got a program whereby you could actually double your capital on a monthly basis. Wow, I know some of you are thinking, is that even possible? But yes, a number of people in my trading community have actually done it, and they are doing it. They've been doing it, for months now, for years now, years, not just months, but years, whereby they've been doubling their capital on a monthly basis. And that basically means if you were to start with $300, for instance, at the end of the month, you can be sure it's going to be $600. If you were to start with $10, because yes, you can actually start with $10. If you were to start with $10, you'll be up by, $10, doubling it, by the end of the month. $10 would be $20. Now, it's a daily, it's a situation whereby you are profiting daily. Just let me tell you this. It's a system that is a system basically where you cannot lose. I know those of you watching this now are perhaps Forex traders, or you are interested in Forex. Now, this is not exactly Forex. It has to do with trading. It is crypto-based. It's a crypto-based system whereby, you are able to, sell your USDT coins, to buyers all over the world. So at the click of a button, basically, you will find that buyers from all over the world, will begin to, bid, as it were, for your crypto. And within seconds, you would get a buyer. The system finds buyers for your USDT coins. Now, just in case you are thinking, oh, well, I don't have USDT coins. Well, sign up, to join our Telegram group and sign up using the link I have just posted there now, and basically, we will begin to, show you how to do this. All that's going to happen is you will be added to a special Telegram channel where we have our team, which handles purely that. That's all we are all about. That's all we discuss in that channel. The has to do with just, crypto, arbitrage. That's what it is. And we will show you how to do it. So even if you don't have USDT, we will show you how to, get some so you can start selling. And like I said, if you were to start with any amount, it doubles at the end of the month. As a matter of fact, just yesterday, I got to know of some guy in our community who has $9 million invested. I know you'll be thinking, is that even possible? Well, yes. There are people who have $9 million worth of crypto. There are lots of crypto millionaires, and one of them is in our community. I am going to be sharing, I'm going to be doing a webinar tomorrow, Saturday. That's the 19th of March, 2022. So I'm going to be doing a webinar tomorrow to give a full and more comprehensive explanation of how it works. It's very simple. All you need to do is to just sign up and we will put you through it, and you could be profiting straight away. As a matter of fact, just this morning, I've had a couple of people sign up and they're already, selling their cryptos. You're not buying, you're not exactly buying, or okay, put it differently, you are buying USDT and then selling it to the market out there. So it's not like Forex in the sense whereby you are buying or selling depending on which direction the market is going. With this one, it is the case that you basically get hold of some USDT, coins, and you sell them. You buy them, so you cannot lose. It's a situation whereby you cannot lose. We lose in Forex, even though this week for me has been profitable, and those on the Telegram group as well. I've been posting a lot of free, signals. And oh, hello, Antonio. Right. So basically, in this week we have gotten well over 300 pips, free signals which I posted. You can see one of them on the screen now. You can see where we entered. Where is it? Okay, so you can see we entered run about here and we caught all this drop. Like I said, I'll be posting some signals in the Telegram, not signals, some screenshots of the results in the Telegram group, later on after this Zoom, after this YouTube stream. So basically, like I was saying, with this, crypto arbitrage, it is the case that, you sell your USDT for profit. Imagine if you had an apple. Yes, an apple you eat. Imagine if you had an apple which you bought at $1. You bought an apple at $1 and you give it to someone to go sell it for you at a profit. Now, the person knows not to sell it at a loss. So they know they're going to be selling it at over $1. That's exactly what the robot does. The robot basically, finds sellers for you, buyers for you all across the globe. And, whoever, comes up with an offer which is closest to what is going to be profitable, it is sold to them. I have noticed lately, I was just speaking to one of our team members today, and she was saying that, the Ukrainian government has recently opened up the crypto space to, those in Ukraine as a way of allowing more income, more streams of income into the economy. We know there's war going on there at the moment. And, I basically, realized that, explains why I have been getting a lot of buyers for my crypto lately on this platform. I've been getting a lot of buyers. As a matter of fact, guys, let me post the link here just for those who want to. Okay, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll post it after the stream. So if you check this, stream, after we are done, check below the video, you will see the link to join the crypto, the crypto arbitrage, group. So the offer I have currently is that for those who sign up using the link I provide, yes, you'll be part of my team. You'll be brought into our, special, private group. And it will be the case that if you love trading Forex, I would basically mentor you, for a whole year. So it's March 2022 now. The mentorship is going to be for a whole year till March 2023. You can't do better than that, And, like I said, the amount with which you start is $10. But those who are going to be part of, this are going to be those who, are willing to, spend a certain amount. So I would say to reach out to me in the Telegram group, and I will give you more details. You can't do better than this. Anyway, so let's look at some of the other trades that we've had this week. Let's look at a couple of other trades. Well, as a matter of fact, we bought this. This is Euro USD. So we got it, going up. We got it going up. I can't remember the exact place where we entered now. I think it was probably somewhere around here. Maybe around here or so. Maybe around here. We got it going up, and that was the target. That was like 150 something pips, which is huge, guys. It's huge. This was our target. I think we got, I'll need to go back and check. We got, it's all posted in our Telegram group anyway. We got about 150 pips from that. This was our target, but guess what? The price continued going up. Well, that happens, it happens. So what we did, we basically caught it again going down. We caught it again. I posted the entry, from here, but I personally entered earlier. But those who basically joined us, who took the trade, would have caught it from here, because you can see what's going on here. You can see what's going on here, guys. There were multiple opportunities. Let's drag this here. You see, this market gave us multiple opportunities to get in the trade. So in case you missed it here, you got another opportunity when it pulled back. If you missed it here, it pulled back a number of times, multiple opportunities. And like I always say, if at all you sorry guys, let me just charge my phone. Phone is dying on me here. So if at all, I post a signal, like I posted this signal just to know how I trade, guys. If I say to enter at the yellow broken lines, because the yellow broken lines on my chart basically means where I got in the trade or where I'm looking to get in the trade. So when I post my chart and you see the yellow dotted line and you see the risk or the stop loss there, you are okay to enter the trade as long as it has not hit stop loss. So if, say, I posted this around 11 o'clock on, I don't know, on, say, Wednesday, today is Friday. If I posted it at 11 o'clock Wednesday, and by Thursday, by the following day, after 24 hours, you saw the price had pulled back up to here. Guess what, guys? You can still get in the trade because it's the strategy I trade. The strategy is like over 80% profitable. So even when it pulls back, sometimes deeply, it is an opportunity to jump in for a second or third trade. As a matter of fact, I always tend to advise my mentees to enter two positions. So you could either enter two positions here, at the suggested entry, or enter one position here and wait for a possible pullback and enter again. Now, what you want to do then is to make sure that you are risking the same amount of pips or dollars or whatever it is. So if, for instance, as you can see here, if, for instance, the risk is about 70 pips or so, regardless of where you enter in this area, let your risk still be 70 pips. So if, for instance, you were to enter here, if there was a pullback, let's make that yellow. Okay, so if, for instance, this was a suggested entry and the price was to pull back anywhere here before it hits the stop loss, let it be that your risk is still 70 pips. So in that case, let's do this. Let's do this. So assuming you entered here, you will still have to risk about 70 pips, which would be around about here or so. Thereabout. Let's make it a red line. I'm sure you guys know by now. I know some of you have been following me, for some time, so you know how I mark up my charts. Let's do that. Okay. Okay. So assuming this was a suggested entry and the price had pulled back, guess what? It has not hit the stop loss yet. So if you're taking a second entry, or even if it's your first entry, your first position, let it be that you end. Oh, what am I doing? What am I doing? So that's your second entry. Let it be that you are going to risk about 70 pips as well. That's just my strategy, and it works. It is paying off, guys. It is paying off. So you want to take full advantage. If you have not joined our Telegram group, do so and begin to collect these pips and profit. What have you to lose? So I would say, let's now show you some other trades that we got into. You guys know I love trading indices. So I got into the DAX trade as well. There we go. So I got into this DAX trade as well. I sent out the signal in the Telegram group. It was for a buy, as you can see. So you can see, we got a couple of opportunities as well, and it pushed all the way up, and it's now come back down. And obviously, if you know how to trade, like I always say to people, you can take a position going up, and when the price is reversing or pulling back, you can also gain some more pips on the pullback going down. So what happened? I posted this, for a buy, long position, and it gave that much. When it was pulling back down, I did enter again, and I posted it in the Telegram group again yesterday, so that it's all documented, guys. You cannot argue with proof. I mean, I have, hundreds of people in the Telegram group. They are the witnesses observing the fact that, hey, profit is being made here. You cannot argue with results. That's just the way it is. So because I anticipate this is still going to be going up, I did not post the sell trade. I only shared that with my VIP members because they know my strategy and they would know how to trade it. So for those of my VIP members who entered the sell position, it means they made profit going up and made more profits even coming down. So how are we looking to trade this now? Now, obviously, I'm sure by now, if you entered the long position on this trade, you would have closed out the trade because, if the trade pulls back, you don't want it to pull back too deeply before you come out. So how are we going to be trading this now? I would say if you have not come out of this trade, definitely you want to be coming out now. And I do not suggest leaving it over the weekend. Don't leave it over the weekend. It's pulling back now. And that's what we are seeing here. So that's what we are seeing here. Now, it might come and hit the trend line here. It might come and hit the trend line and carry on up. But hey, I would say do not leave it over the weekend because you don't know what's going to happen over the weekend with this current war in Ukraine. It can actually, break below this trend line and be a deep pullback. So do not jump in. Let it be that, if at all anything, we continue with this trade next week. The DAX and the Dow are assets which I watch. I watch those indices. I watch them a lot, and that's the way it is. Okay. So which other pairs have we been trading? Now, what I'm going to be doing, what I'm looking to do today, is to actually, post, post one or two more harmonic patterns. I'm sure you guys know I love trading the harmonic patterns. Let's see if we can find some for you. Let's see if we can find some harmonic patterns that we have traded lately. Right here. So definitely, look out on the Telegram group for the link to the Zoom, the link for Zoom that we are going to be having tomorrow, Saturday, around about 1 p.m. Eastern Standard. We're going to be having that Zoom meeting around about 1 p.m. Eastern Standard, just to share this opportunity where you cannot lose. Unless the company goes bust, I don't see you losing. Instead, you will double your capital. I mean, some of you have lost so much in Forex. I was speaking to somebody today who has lost a lot in Forex, and I know that's the case. A lot of people have lost a lot of money in Forex. Okay, so you can see this one. You can see this pattern. We traded it recently. This is Euro Pound. That was the suggested entry, and it basically went and hit TP. So, I mean, a lot of our trades are winning, guys. What more can I say? A lot of our trades are winning. Let's see if we have more. Okay. A lot of our trades are winning, guys. Okay, I think that is one. That is, this is Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. You can see that's the suggested entry. That was the suggested entry. It went into the red zone, but it did not hit stop loss. Came back deeply, went up there again. So even this one presented multiple opportunities. Now, the only thing is, I know, it's on the daily time frame. So it means, this is more or less for swing traders. So you can see, just in case you're saying, I only give trades for day trades. No, every now and then I give, swing trades. As a matter of fact, this particular one, no, not this one. This one, obviously, is a swing trade. Powerful. Now, I don't intend to spend much time here today. As some of you might know, I really don't trade much on Fridays, and today is not when I plan to. It's not a day I plan to trade, just because it is the case that hello, Mrs. K. So just because join our Telegram group, Mrs. K, and say hello to me there as well. Now, just in case well, just because I am going to be preparing for the Zoom meeting tomorrow, and because of my schedule at the moment, having to coach people and bring them up and let them begin to know how to trade using this platform, I'm not able to actually place any trades today. But like I say, we are having a training session tomorrow, for those who are going to be joining our team. So for those who sign up tomorrow, we will have a quick session with them to basically get them started. Now, the reason why is because the crypto market is 24/7. Yes, 7 days a week, all day. Some people, like I said, started, with us today, and they are already making profit. So, when we have our Zoom session tomorrow, we're going to be training, you on how to start. The minimum entry is $10. Can you believe it? $10. So you don't want to miss that. The link to the Telegram is posted here now. I've posted it here, and it will be, we will be posting the oh, hello, Kimon. So we will be posting the the link to the Zoom meeting in the Telegram group, so you could join us tomorrow. Friday is a risky day to trade for some people, not so much for me and my members, because we have a strategy that works every day, every day, every day. A strategy that basically works with, all time, well, it works on all time frames and works on various assets, various pairs. All. I don't trade all pairs, so I wouldn't say all, but I know it's a strategy that works on Forex, on crypto, works with stocks, and you name it. Okay, guys, I'll leave it here. The stream is going to remain, the chart is going to remain on the stream, but I'm basically signing out now. I'm switching off the camera, and hopefully see you tomorrow on the Zoom call. Okay, now, God bless.
now is for you.